Understanding your total is a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a common phrase you might hear in everyday situations, especially when shopping. It's your total is. This phrase is not just about numbers. It's a key part of everyday communication in English-speaking countries. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it effectively. Your total is a phrase commonly used in commercial transactions, especially in stores or restaurants. When a cashier or server says, your total is, they are informing you of the final amount of money you need to pay for the goods or services you have chosen. This phrase is usually followed by the specific amount, like, your total is $15.20. Understanding this phrase is crucial because it indicates that it's time to pay. To better grasp the phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. In a grocery store, after scanning all your items, the cashier might say, your total is $23.45. 2. In a restaurant, after you finish eating, the waiter might bring the bill and say, your total is $30. These examples show the phrase used in a practical context, helping you recognize it in real-life situations. When someone tells you, your total is, the typical response is to acknowledge the amount and proceed with the payment. You can say, okay, here's $15.20. Can I pay by card? These responses show that you have understood the amount and are ready to complete the transaction. In English-speaking countries, discussing the total amount is a normal part of a transaction. It's a clear, polite way of requesting payment. It's also common for customers to briefly check the amount to ensure it's correct. This is considered good practice and is not offensive. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, your total is, and use it confidently in your daily interactions. Remember, it's a simple yet essential part of shopping or dining experiences in English-speaking countries. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next English language learning adventure.